Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit Karma's budgeting tools. Let's get straight into it. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can log in on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged in, you want to click on the budgeting tab. Next, you want to connect your bank accounts and credit cards to Credit Karma in order to track your income and expenses. And you can categorize your expenses to see exactly where your money is going. And of course, you can set budget goals and track your progress accordingly. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit Karma's budgeting tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.